Alright guys, I figured out my light problem, and I'm embarrassed to say it because I did a lot of stuff in this car. Changed out the wire harness for the turn switch. I tested every single thing in here. I took a lot of wires out. All these wires, went through every single one of them, and then none of it was a problem. So after 3 full days of messing with this thing, it turned out to be the light bulbs in the rear tail lights. I put in one single filament bulb, and there's supposed to be 2 in each one of them, and that was causing it to have all 4 tail lights blink at the same time. So if anybody has a problem, like I said, I was on every forum looking, checking. Everybody says check the bulbs. I said no, I already checked them. And what do you know, the bulb was wrong. Alright, so let's see, I'll show you. Now it's working. I put the headlights on. Bulbs work. No more blinking light. Brake lights work. I'm pretty happy. Anybody's interested too, I might be selling this whole setup right here. It's all these Stewart Warner gauges. The whole console was built by the guy that owned it. The seats, it's kind of like a 70s retro look there. Front seats. I'm gonna redo the interior. I have front back bench seat. I got the back seat out right now. Here's the back seat, matches it. So I'm thinking of selling that setup. If anybody's interested, let me know. But here's the tail lights. Finally working. So I redid this whole thing here, every single one. I bought these pigtails because they're all metal. They're not like the plastic ones. They fit a lot snugger and they don't slide around and pop out. You can see these ones a lot better. A lot better. I replaced the trunk harness. Goes through. You can see it's a lot better also. I replaced the front 2 blinker assemblies. The old ones are just beat, but I'll show you what goes wrong on these a lot too. Alright, this is the old turn signal assembly. Right here, these metal tabs get messed up, and you know, I thought that was originally was wrong on mine, so I swapped it out. It wasn't the case, so anyway, it's got a brand new NOS switch in there. Basically, you got to take the horn off, pull the steering wheel, pull the shifter, take all this off, pull the harness. It's really, you know, everybody says online it's a pain in the ass, it's this and that, but honestly, it took about 20 minutes to do it, and you know, if I had to do it again, it wouldn't take long to do. So anyway, that's an update. Tail lights are working, everything's good. I finally get to cruise my car. I didn't get to drive it last year. You can see inspections from last year just because of these tail lights, and I bought a boat. So any questions on tail lights or any wiring in this car, I'm pretty familiar with it. Just let me know. I'll try to help you out as much as possible. Somebody asked too, here's my radio. I made this box out of stainless steel, and I just wrapped it in tweed. It's kind of you know, it's not permanent. Just bolted in right here with the bolts, and it works really good. You got a Bluetooth radio, if anybody was wondering. Yeah, I'll try to make some more videos since it's time to start cruising. The weather's starting to change. But if anybody's interested in this interior, like I said, I might be getting rid of that pretty soon. And I'll do an update. I'm going to actually cover these seats pretty soon. I got two the covers coming for front and back. And maybe I'll make a video how to do that, since I'm going to do it myself for the first time. It doesn't look too hard, so we'll see. Thanks.